About to head out for the day. Our main man, thank you for serving us well. Today we're gonna go rent a motorbike for the first time. Hopefully you guys will see me at the end of the day, and catch you guys in a bit. You ready?
I'm ready.
Fucking right. Safety first, kids. So here we got the lucky pink. So, rented some bikes, didn't go as planned. An hour later, here we are on the beach, Koh Tao, Saturday Beach. Let's jump in there and enjoy the water. You guys will not believe who I just found. Yo, Casey! Is that you? Is that Casey Neistat? Yo, can you give some tips for how to vlog?
Okay, so the golden rule is to always have a good personality and have a beautiful face. That's the only tip you really need.
When you got a face like Casey's and you wear the sunglasses, god damn, what else do you really need? Now we're good. Here I am. And we're just gonna keep the party going, so let's enjoy this.
One eternity later.
So today has been an eventful day. It was the first time that I rented a scooter, and it will most likely be the last time that I rent a scooter. Actually, no, hear me out. I will probably rent one in Pai, where it is less dangerous. Over here it's all sandy and rocky and just like straight up not the place to learn. So we were going up and down the first hill that we went, and then it's hit a sandy part, slipped and broke the mirror and the little scratches here and there. Next thing you know, I bring it back, I'm like, oh, it'll probably only be like 1,000 baht, which is like 30 US. Bring it back, she's quoting me 10,500 baht, which is 350 more or less US dollars. So I was like, nah, there's no fucking way for these scratches. After an hour or so of going back and forth and telling her that this 10,500 baht just isn't gonna happen, we settled for 7,000 baht, so 3,500 less than what she said, but at the same time, obviously not fucking ideal. You know, that's like a month's worth of money. But shit happens, what can you do? You gotta laugh it off, and definitely not rent a motorbike in Koh Tao. So that's my advice for you. Man just gave me the poster. You see you got your boy Paul over here versus Petchman. You'll always see one white guy on these fight cards trying to get that international appeal. It's like Paul from Ireland out here making his way in Thailand, about to get knocked the fuck out by a Thai guy. So smash that like button if you want to see Paul get knocked out. Smash it twice if you want to see Paul and Petchny on both get knocked the fuck out. One time for the culture, baby. Right now we are just walking down the walking street. We are going to the Queen's Cabaret, where we are going to watch a Ladyboy show. And I am hella excited to go see what kind of performance the boys and girls in Koh Tao can put on.
Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
สเปเชียลโชว์ค่ะ
That was fucking nuts. That was nuts. Firstly, the Ladyboys over here, they look good and they dance good. God damn, that's nuts. Anyways, got on stage, had my yellow fro. You know, usually I don't let anyone touch my hair, but when it comes to the Ladyboys, you let the Ladyboys touch your hair if they want to. See you bright and early, they said. Bright and early. It ain't bright, but it's sure as hell early. Oh, and nothing's open in terms of food except 7-Eleven, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. Good morning. What up, team? What up, team?
Team Tom.
Good fucking morning.
Man.
Hey, how you feeling? I've never seen anyone with more energy than this guy.
You vlogged him right now.
I swear to God, 5 a.m. This guy's ready to go, hit the water.
Bags are packed. Exactly.
Bags are packed. I've probably been here since 3 a.m. doing this shit, but this is what it takes to be a fucking real scuba diver. Headed to the dive site on the back of a nice pickup truck. We made it. Anyways, you know, I'm the one behind the camera and in front of the camera, but I'm gonna have to pass it over for the rest of this vlog. 3, 2, 1. So, 3 days later, blood, sweat, tears. Certified diver. Certified. Don't fuck with the boy anymore, especially not underwater. Saw some great white sharks, saw some big whales. Nuts. You're not gonna see it on the video though, but just know that we saw it. What should the people do?
Smash the like button, people.
If you guys liked what you saw, or even if you didn't,
Like it.
smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. One time for your minds, one time for your culture.